So welcome back to the Architects Workshop. So I'm just going to show you how to use this resource right here. I told you in the last video, if you've not watched the video about how to make this mood board, please watch it over here. So in the last video I showed you how to make this mood board, but in case you don't have time and you want to help us out by purchasing this mood board on our shop, then this is how you use it. So when you open the template, this is what you're going to see: geometric mood board, and you can click on this and just change the text to whatever you want, and you can change the date over here. They're just text boxes, and the colors you can pick from. So all you do is you just click on this icon in the middle and you select the image you want. Just click on them, bring in your images one by one. Same thing with this one, and same thing with this one. So a few things you might notice. First of all, the round edges here. So the beautiful thing about this particular style of mood board is you can just click on crop and adjust the image, and it will still adjust the crop area, and it will still remain the same size, or technically the same size. So that's it. And in case you change your mind, you can just delete this image and bring in another image, and it won't even matter. So that's the beautiful thing about this template. So I'm just going to repeat that process again because I want square edges. Alright, so I'm just going to line this up and send to back. Okay, so for this one, I actually reduced the size in the template because I needed to be able to click on this button at the back. But I'll show you how to increase the size or the crop area. So let me just send this to back. Then I can actually increase this image depending on what I want. But now I'm going to click crop so that I can adjust how much of my image I want to see. And you see here, I'm holding down shift to adjust the size of the image that I want to show. And everything I showed in the tutorial, please go and watch the tutorial if you haven't watched it. Remove the background, click on remove background and bring it down here, bring it up here. Yeah, I've been able to repeat the exact same mood board, and you can just change the dates, change the title, add your name, and you're good to go. So if I remove this, I can bring in another image. It doesn't even matter, and I can click on crop and adjust how much of that image I want to see, what side of the image I want to see, and all of that. So I'm just going to click on delete and bring back our planter. So thanks for watching, thanks for buying our mood board. All links are in the description below. Thank you so much for supporting this channel.